in Mexico, boys. Only in Mexico. So yeah, your boy Zay back at it. Y'all saw me do some other bullshit with the car. I'm gonna explain that later on. With the homie Chris now in the E92. What's popping? And just headed over to the little Cars and Coffee. So I'm gonna get y'all a little bit of stuff here and there. But yeah, man, just enjoy the ride. And then I mean, you'll probably get a little bit more footage of the E92 in a little bit. I know, right? The burble tune.
Well, I don't even know burble. Low kill and that's what we want it.
Oh yeah, this is even more aggressive. This thing's a menace, dude.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. Wait until
the downpipes, all that shit.
The downpipe. I still got that aftermarket pulley, so I can install my aftermarket pulley. See if that's only one, or there's another one. I'm pretty sure there's another one because I have the crank. I think there's another one, an under pulley that I can do. So I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna try to see if I can do a little more research and do all the NA mods. Because that's what I want.
Full NA?
Yeah, because I'm thinking about the supercharger, but it's like, that's a lot more. $8 grand.
The food that you're getting that lift from, he has a pretty good supercharger kit too. Just so on the side?
Yeah.
It's almost like a Pro Charger, I think it is.
Like UCS, UCS one.
Instead of the bolt on the screws?
Yeah, there's 3-4 stages in that one.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, you can like first stage 1, stage 2, stage 3.
Pretty sure he's at stage 2, huh?
Yeah. Yes, like stage 2 and then I think he has a version 1 because they came up, because obviously the car's pretty old, 2008.
Yeah.
So they came up with version 2s with this, like all more different fuel rails, different this, and you'll get a little more juice. Early birds, okay?
Ooh, it's early.
Oh yeah, super early, okay?
Ain't nobody here. Ooh, there's a Datsun though.
Oh yeah.
Is that a? Oh no, that's an AE86. That was the first time I've seen an AE86 in that color, if it is one. Is that? I really don't know. Oh no, wait, it might be.
Oh, that fool started following me like a week ago when I came to Cars and Coffee.
Little Fiesta gang?
Yeah, little Fiesta, yeah, he follows me.
Alright, bet. I'll be back when everybody else shows up. Alright, yo? Deuces. You already know why I'm walking over here. God damn. RB26. Has these Johnnies right here. Sheesh. Ooh, yo. These wheels right here are off the Nismo R35 GTRs. They're made by Rays too. Forged. That's some money. Damn. Sheesh. It's clean though.
Oh, it's super clean, bro.
Oh, a little M2 guy pulling up.
Oh, my boy with the M2?
Yes, sir. Old school MR2 4 lug. Nice.
It's way too early for this shit.
Dude,
it is. It really is. I never get up.
a nice, beautiful M2 pulling up. Evil boys in the house.
That motherfucking is that Ford Ranger? Oh shit! That's a motherfucking Ford Ranger!
Subi boys, vape boys pulling up hard. The boy Jack
How you doing, Jack?
Whew.
Yo, it's a piece of shit. Focus on the white car.
Oh, that's a heater right there. I'll gap this all day. All day. Oh, man.
Oh shit! I'm so sorry.
Oof.
Wow.
Do your dirty.
Wow. On the new paint? Wow.
I apologize. I'll fucking put my.
And then, is that a Supra?
Oh,
Oh, oh, he got the TEs though. Yes, sir. TE gang. Even though I don't got TEs yet. Hopefully we'll have some TEs soon. Hopefully buy them off this fool. No, I'm playing. But yo, these look good though.
Oh yeah, what's the little lower?
Yeah, from like stock to this with like nice wider wheels, stuff like that.
These look rocking nice.
Fuck, bro.
Yeah,
Someone's got me changing my mind.
I'm telling you, it's a BMW. BMW does this all the time.
Bro, they got wiring and everything like that, and that's just labeled by BMW.
Yeah, I know.
The whole car is made from BMW. The fucking key fobs from BMW.
I know, it has the digital dash on the glass and everything. So
You got that digital dash, son. About to do the dash.
headlights, so look. That's one thing that always gets me.
Ooh.
Headlight.
Yeah, no, that looks good.
Oh, in here.
Y'all don't see that. Beat that up, bro. Damn. Ooh, la mama look, hey. Talking about GTRs though, we got one pulling up. Sheesh. Y'all see that? Y'all don't see that yet. He's not close enough. And what, we got a little F-type, little CCSV. Sheesh.
Is that your GTR?
Is that a GTR? Oh, the big boy tips. Oh, with the carbon. Ooh.
Is that a GTR?
Oh! Keep it rocking.
Hey.
Came bumping.
Grandpa's keeping a G out here.
Don't mess with Pops, bro. Goddamn.
Hey, don't mess with this lady. Look,
Another, ooh. Oh, the little birdie bird. Y'all already know I rock with CTSVs, man. Let me know what y'all been rocking with. Cause for sure, these V's go wild.
M5. Look. On the BBS E88.
Ooh.
Woo! Some E88s, bro. That's a those.
Oh, that's a V10.
Yeah, those wheels would look heat on my car right now.
Bet, let's trade that for Yo, look at this though. One of a damn cut. He out here. Oof. Target top. Looking clean on the inside. Uh-huh. Oh. Oh, that's a R32 with the R34 front. God damn. It would be funny if it's like dipped all everything into all stuff. Oh god.
I've got 3 or 4
Oh, hey.
who all live in the north.
Hey.
One is in that east.
If any car you want to mess with is that Honda right there.
She has her own.
You don't know what it's doing. Yeah. Ooh, a little Z01 action. Ooh, actual MR2? Or not an actual MR2, but the newer one. Ooh, some beautiful in case. Oh, yeah, it looks like it's still factory paint.
Yeah.
That's nice. Oh yeah, that's you right there, huh?
Oh, that's me right there, okay. Full real track car.
Be like,
And then we got Type R. Very nice, very nice. And then we got what, E30?
It's like a E20 something.
full track set, beautiful roll cage up in here. Some buckets, ooh, some Sparkos. Single lug. Oh, puppy. What's up, buddy? The single lug BBS. Looks good, dude.
The best thing? Center lock.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be so cool.
And then little M5.
Oh, the E88?
Hey, low key, yeah. These are the ones you keep sending me, huh? The wheels?
E88s,
Yeah.
They look amazing.
They look good, dude.
I think they're 18.
Yeah, no, definitely, bro. Have this as a. Ooh, a little RB20. Clean. And oh, some slap. Ooh, some more puppies. Oh no, there's a L'Oreal. Oh snap. Bro, I failed my JDM people, bro. I failed my JDM people. I'll call this a Cressida and it's a L'Oreal. I fucked that up.